It's also important to know who is not your customer. Is this my customer at all or not? And how do you define that? Every business has a different definition. Every situation has a different definition of who is your customer. The negotiation begins. Typically, when I speak with similar people like you, here are the common objections. They sometimes find that the price is too much and this is not for them. And sometimes they want more features, some of which we don't have. Is any of this your concern? And suddenly it's like, oh, he's talking about price upfront. Yeah. So for this kind of solution, typically it costs 50,000 rupees. Is that too much for you? The answer is, yeah, it's too much for you. It's also important to know who is not your customer. Very critical learning. Who is not your customer? So we often do crisis management at the end because the preemptive management has not been done at the beginning. So you don't want to travel till the penultimate station to figure out you're on the wrong train. You're trying to reach, say, Delhi, and you don't travel till the last station before the Delhi junction to say, "Arey, I took the wrong train." So the story starts right at the beginning where you think, is this my customer at all or not? And how do you define that? Every business has a different definition. Every situation has a different definition of who is your customer. So I always try and see who is not my customer. And it's like disqualify. And you have to be honest about it. And then you will be left with a smaller set of customer, but then you have to go very deep into them because the probability of closing that deal just went up